Hello, viewers. Good morning. I hope you are well and have a wonderful day. It's Sunday, April 25th, 2021. Now, the time is 10 a.m. here in Yangon, Myanmar. This is Ratha Street, Chinatown, Yangon, Myanmar. This is CHIANG Temple by Ying Chuan Tong Society. These are Chinese Buddhist temples managed by Chinese clan or association. Let's go to another Chinese temple named KEONG. Let's go inside the temple. This is a Chinese temple named KEONG. It is located on the corner of Sinthodani Street and Strand Road in Lhasa Township. The KEONG, also known as the KEONG or King Fu Temple, is the largest and oldest temple to the Chinese sea goddess Maju in Yangon, Myanmar. KEONG is maintained by a Hokkien Chinese clan association. Let's go inside the temple. This temple was originally built as a wooden temple in 1861 and completed in 1863, built in the Fujian style on a plot of land granted by the British authorities. The founding KEONG Trust Committee was composed of Rangoon's largest Hokkien clans representing the Chan, Khu, Lim, Tan, Yu, Li and Su clans. At the temple's founding, the primary deity was Guanyin. A new brick building was completed in 1903. It's a wonderful statue in the temple premises. This was constructed on 22nd November 2010. This is the premises of the temple. This is a workshop located at 19th Street in Chinatown Yangon. The owner of this workshop is a Chinese Burmese. Let's go inside the workshop. The name of this workshop is PAUK. There are lathe machines and other machineries in this workshop. They do repair motors and other machineries. The interior of the workshop is very old. This is Mr. PAUK, the owner of this workshop. He is a Chinese Burmese. This is Mr. Mong, the customer of the workshop. He came here to get repaired his motor. That's it from today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.